Hello, welcome to Tontung Tin. We are a leading manufacturer and exporter of wooden products with over 12 years of experience in this field. Proud to be a trusted partner for many businesses around the world. At Tontung Tin, we offer a diverse range of wooden products, meticulously crafted from high-quality materials. With a dedicated team of professionals, we provide ODM and OEM services, ensuring each product meets customer requirements. Particularly, we offer low and flexible MOQ, which can be negotiated, making it easy for customers to access quality products without concerns about minimum order quantities. We are not only distinguished by our product quality, but also by our attentive customer service. Our customer support team is available 24/7 to ensure that all customer needs are met promptly and professionally. With more than 12 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting wooden products to many demanding markets, such as US, UK, Australia, we believe that we will bring you the best quality products at very competitive price. We are committed to providing customers with the highest quality products and professional services. Contact us today to build a sustainable partnership together. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Tontung Tin, where value and quality come first.